What does integral calculus mean? Integral calculus is a branch of mathematics that deals with finding the total accumulation of quantities such as area, volume, distance, energy, or heat. It is especially useful when a quantity changes continuously over time. For example, in physics, finding total displacement. In business, finding total profit. In engineering, finding total energy or heat transfer. In HVAC system, or heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, integral calculus helps engineers determine: first, total heat removed by an air conditioner; second, energy consumption over time; and third, airflow distribution; and lastly, cooling efficiency. So, this is the problem statement of HVAC problem. So, after, magpo-proceed na tayo sa solution. Step 1, identify. Find the total heat removed over time, and since the heat removal rate changes continuously, we use definite integration. And then, isusulat natin yung formula, which is total heat equals integrate, and the upper is B and the lower is A, then R, open close parenthesis, T, and the outside is dt. Then, after natin masulat yun, isasubstitute natin siya sa given values. And then, mag-step 2 na tayo. Integrate each term. Sa step 2 naman is mag-a-apply tayo ng power rule of integration. Then, pag na-apply na po natin siya, so, isusulat po natin yung Q equals to open 200t plus 20t squared and then close upper 4 then lower 0. And then mag-proceed na po tayo sa step 3. Apply the limits. Then dito naman po is yung isa-substitute po natin yung t to 4. And then, after ma-substitute ng 4, dito naman po tayo, mag-proceed naman po tayo sa 0. So, i-substitute po natin yung t sa 0. So, bali po, dalawang beses po natin siya i-substitute, which is the upper and lower. So, dito po sa part na to is yung step 4, the final answer. So, dito na po natin makikita yung final answer po ng air condition system removes. And the final answer is Q equals to 1,120 BTU. Just a brief conclusion. This shows how integral calculus is applied in HVAC system. By integrating the heat removal rate over time, we can determine the total cooling performed by an air conditioning system. And integral calculus is important in real-world engineering because many physical quantities change continuously rather than staying constant.